Hey there! Welcome back to another interesting video from DigiFix. We're going to introduce how to make a social media post using an AI platform. We've found the best AI generative advertisement making platform, Predis.ai. Let's get started.
Search for Predis.ai. Click on Try for free. It will ask you to sign up. Choose Google and select your Google account. Click on Create New. Now choose the type of post you have in mind. It can be business, meme, e-commerce, or anything else. We'll try the text-to-post category. You can select the post ratio and format. Enter what your post is about. It should be at least 20 characters and 3 words long. Now click on Generate. We've got our post. It includes relevant content, an image, and even a caption. You can now select a better post template. Click on Edit. You can also try different templates if needed. You can change the image, text, and other elements. If you need to change the image, click on Media, where you'll find suggested images. You can search and select an image the same way. Once you've found the image, double-click on it. Apart from that, you can upload your own images. You can purchase a suitable package and quickly create a professional advertisement.
Thanks for watching. Try these tips and let us know in the comment section.